Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Now tap on one-handed mode and click on this switcher next to it in order to activate it. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you need to switch it to gestures to use this mode. You can do that from here by tapping on Settings in the pop-up, clicking on Gestures, selecting Learn or Cancel in the pop-up, and then going back. Now tap on the same switcher and finally follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can go back by swiping up or clicking on this dark area. If you wish to disable it completely, tap on the same, now green switcher. If you wish to go back to Tricky's navigation, click on the top left corner. Select System Navigation at the top of Additional Settings and tap on Buttons. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!